Okay, guys, you have to excuse the dogs. I live next to a rescue center. I've been going through some heavy, large waves. So we're going to go over what you need to do. If you are in the waves, you need to have your motor in this position. Make sure the prop is not out of the water, but this is the position you use to get the front of the boat or the bow up, and the aft or rear will be down. This is designed to handle, this boat can handle a 5 to 6 feet wave in this position. Now, if you're cruising with your friends, you want to have fun and you want to save some gas, you have it in the center, okay? It will be like that. Would be most likely the correct position for your boat. Now, if you want to tow somebody and do donuts, you have to have it all the way down like that. And reason for it is when you do a U-turn, this prop will pop out of the water if you don't have it all the way down. Also, when it's lower, those few inches allows it to grip more. The water pressure will be higher and it will grip more water. So you will have better traction. Again, this position is for skiing and doing donuts. Away from the boat is when you go ahead and do it for large waves. Now waves, try not to get hit on the side. You can get hit in the back or the front. And the way you do it is you time it as you're moving. If you want to if you want to come back, you paste it, and between the waves, you do your U-turn and head on back home if you need to. So all that said, go fishing, go boating, and have a great